on, you guys? It's Angie here, and today I'm doing a really quick review on this hair that I tried. This is the crocheted hair. This is the Zury rod set hair that I got, and I wanted to try. Let me take this little plastic thing off so y'all can see it a little bit better. But this is the hair that I have in my head. It comes in 3 different inches. That's 8 inches, 9 inches, and 10. But for this style, I only used the 9 and the 10. And so I did do a little tutorial of how I did it, but not like a step-by-step. So I'll put that at the end if you guys are interested in seeing that. But I really like this hair. It's really nice and full, like I like it. And I think that it turned out very well. It looks very natural, and I'm really loving this hair. So like I said, it comes in 3 different lengths, and I will show y'all what the hair looks like. I also showed in the tutorial as I'm doing the style, but this is what the hair looks like. It's like these little stretchy locks. So I will say when I took them and separate them, sometimes you're gonna get like that kind of wiry type look, and you might have some little excess hair, but it's fine, especially when you put like the little moisturizer on there. But I'll get to that in a minute. But I separated these in 3 little sections. See, it has that kind of stringy look, but once you put your conditioner on there and just kind of run your fingers back through it, it kind of makes it more uniformed again. So yeah, I'm gonna probably leave this up for maybe like a month or so if I can, because I'm able to reach my scalp and still moisturize and, you know, do all of that good stuff by treating my scalp and stuff. And then I have like a little aloe vera spray that I mix in order to keep my hair and my curls nice and you know, juicy looking. So yeah, you guys, I really like it. I wanted to look a little bit more natural. I didn't want to use as many braids because I know that this hair is some big hair. I didn't want it to be too big, but I did want some fullness to it. So you'll see in the video where when I put it in, I only used a couple of braids. So with that being said, you guys, I love this hair. So on a scale from 1 to 10, I give this a 9. So yeah, I'm very pleased with this hair. So all right, you guys, stay tuned to the tutorial if you are interested, and pics if you want to see those, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's Angie here, and today I will be doing my hair in some crochets, and I'm using what is this, the Zury rod set hair. I think this is really cute. I kind of wanted to go with some big hair today, so I'm gonna try this out and see how it comes out. It has 3 different lengths in here. It has the 8 inch, the 9 inch, and the 10. It's one bag is supposed to fit the whole head, so we will see. But let me kind of open it up so y'all can kind of see the curls. I'm thinking I'm gonna start, I think I am gonna start with the 8 because I do want it kind of short. But this is kind of like what the curls look like on there. When putting them in, I'll probably separate them in 2 or 3 sections. So they have each section in here separated. Let me see if it has the, does it have the number on each one? Let me pull the first one out. Okay, so I guess I just gotta hold it up and see which is which. Let me put this back on here so I won't get it messed up. So okay, so the one on the top is the 8. This one that the first one that you pull out is going to be the 8, then it's the 9, and then it's the 10. So I'm going to braid my hair in a down method. I'm going to put a part over here and braid it down. I don't want to waste time with doing the braiding process, so I might braid it up and then just show y'all you know, how I braided it up. So I'm going to braid my hair up and then kind of show y'all what the braid pattern is going to look like, because like I said, I want a part on the side and I want like a little volume over here. So let's see how this is going to turn out. I'm really hoping to turn out cute. So I'll be back. All right, you guys, so I'm braided all the way up. What I did was I did like my edges. I wanted these to kind of still be protected, so I kind of just slicked those all over to the side. I wanted them to be kind of big because I am going to crochet on the hair part as well as the braid. And so like I said, I didn't want as many braids in my hair. I didn't record the braid pattern to save time, and then also I kind of really didn't know where I was going to go with it, but I'm going to see how this pattern comes out, and I'm going to record as much as I can before my camera goes out. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and start with the 8 inches of hair. I'm going to spray it just to make it a little bit moisturized, so when I separate it, it won't get that real you know, like that cottony type of frizzy look. So I'm gonna spray it a little bit with a little bit of conditioner spray, or either I'm probably gonna use my aloe vera spray. And with that being said, let's get started. Alright, you guys, I don't know if I want that front that short, so I think I'm gonna skip the 8 inch and maybe start with the 9 inch, because I think that's gonna be a little bit too short for my liking. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one out, and I'm just gonna start with the 9 inch. That's what I'm gonna start with. I might kind of put the 8 inch in the very, very, very back, so where it can kind of go a little bit longer. So I'm going to go ahead and just pull out the next one, which is this one, and start with this. Alright, you guys, so I'm almost finished with I just did the first braid right here. I'm gonna put the last one right here and be real easy, so I don't want that to pull anything. And this is all of the 9 that I'm using still. Okay, I think that looks pretty natural. And then the other ones, I'm gonna kind of crochet them through like that. So far I'm thinking that it's gonna come out the way that I want it. And like I said, you guys, I'm gonna put the 8 in the back. So yeah, so far so good. So I'm gonna continue. When I start with the 8 inch, I'll start recording again. Alright, you guys, so I got all the front on both sides done, and I think I am gonna crochet a little bit of hair right here to kind of hide the crochet. So now I'm gonna start with the back right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and start crocheting that. Alright, you guys, so I'm almost done. I kind of filled that top in a lot more to make it look a little natural, because I can still see my part on the side, but I still have this right here to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish that up right quick. But so far I'm loving it. I'm loving the turnout of it. It's really cute. So all right, let me keep going. Alright, you guys, last one right in the middle. I just have a little bit left right in that middle, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright you guys, so I am finally done and I love it. Yes, I am gonna have to tame it just a little bit, kind of get some of the little loose hairs off the end. I only used the 8 and the 9 out of the bag. I still have the 10 left over, which is totally fine. But I love this. I'm gonna spray it, cut it, and fix it up a little bit. Let me show you out the back. Nice and big, just like I wanted it. Absolutely, absolutely. Oh my gosh, I love it, y'all. So this is the turnout. Came out pretty good. I'll show you some pictures of what it looked once I do my face and all of that good stuff. But yeah, you guys, I just want to show y'all my hair, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.